Now that you have perfected the content in your channel, you can easily embed it on your website. Hover over your channel and click Details, or click on it from the left sidebar. To get the embed code, click on the share icon. There is a section titled Embed Code. Here you can customize your channel embed and copy the code for your site. You can choose a layout for your channel. Click here to copy the sidebar layout embed code. With the sidebar layout, your audience will see a vertical list of the channel content in a sidebar at the right of the video. Click here to choose the carousel layout embed code. With the carousel layout, your audience will see a gallery of your content with the ability to scroll through. Channel embeds are designed to be responsive and fit the space defined by your website. If you make changes to your channel on ScreenPal, the changes will automatically update on your website. Easily embed related videos and images on your website by using Channel Embed.